Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. If I am able to fix it or give you some information, I will be happy. If it's not, me and you will look for someone to help us. Today we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, I believe Laredo. The car is 2000 and hold on. Yeah, 2007. A Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, this car is coming in with a new alternator on it, but the battery light is on, but the car is still running. After we did a diagnostic, he said he checked the battery is good, and it's true, the battery is good, but the charging light is still on. We did a diagnosis complete. This car works with 3 wire. It have 2 wire coming here in this connector, you see, and then big wire that tied it here, full power, which is this one. This full power here, 12 volt full power. You need to be clean before you tighten it. And it has a connector here that is plugged in. One of the notice that I noticed is that this connector, when it was inside, it doesn't have something to lock it in. You see here? I see they put a strip, small strip here, and they tied it through this place. They tied it here. The best thing to do when you have something like this is to have a new, because the good one is coming like this and it have a lock. After you push it in, you see here, you push this one, after you plug it in, you have to push this one to lock it. It will not come out. So I took the car, I told him this is not good, but sometime could be when the alternator go bad, because these 2 wires, they come from the engine computer on this right side here. Some of them, one of them is power, ignition power, and one of them like a computer command or computer information. I am not sure, but it's controlled by the engine computer. You start the car, the light come on. The good news, he bought this from AutoZone. We went there. They need the owner to be there to replace it, because somebody else can take the information and come and change this. Maybe you sell it. It looks like if you sell the car, the warranty can go away because your phone number, your information can go there or something like that. I'm not sure. But I went to AutoZone. They say the owner have to be there, but he gave me the number, his phone number and his information. But while I'm talking with the AutoZone agent, the guy also was calling, and we confirmed that he's not even far to give us the alternator. When he put his name inside, it come that the alternator is new. So we took this alternator. They have a bench. When we put this alternator to the bench, they run the test, the first one, it fell. So they give me this one. But I'm not going to put this alternator on the car with this picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this from here, or at least from a little bit far here, and I will put this one. Be sure when you connect it with the pin location, not color, because we don't have no color. So you see here, this one here, the clip, turn it here, get the clip wire, cut the wire, and I advise you not to put this butt connector, which you have to put it in and squeeze it. No, I prefer you to put what they call to solder it, connect it and solder the wire correctly. After that, this alternator have screw here, and one here, and then you have to use a tensioner to put the belt. Be sure your battery terminal are clean, all of them clean. This wire here, we talk about it, this one, be sure that is good. And when you try to put it, try to disconnect one of the battery terminal so you don't have to touch it. There is no way to tighten it from here well. So when move the alternator, put it upside down here, put all the connector, and be sure that everything is good. So right now, my job is to change this connector first. I don't want to put this one there. I'm going to cut it from here, put a shrink tube, and then put it together. So let me go get the stuff here. Okay, now we try to cut the wire that is here, because I don't like that fall down. I'm gonna pick it up. I don't like this connector, so I'm gonna cut it from here. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one from here and solder this, cut this wire and join together. Okay, so hold like this. So I'm gonna cut this wire. So when you cut it, hold it like this and be sure that you see how they're facing. The pin, this broke, and the main reason we're gonna need to clip and hold, not to fight with it. So I'm gonna take this wire and I will come all the way here. You can cut it from here, or you can cut it from any distance that you want. That's good, it's gonna be okay. So the one on the top here is a green, the bottom one is a blue, but here is colorless. So I'm gonna cut this one on the top. Okay, and then I will clean it out. You will not do it with this one. You see here, it's very clean. Now I'm gonna get this as usual here. I will cut it from here, and I will clean it. Now, in order for you to do it this way. If you are going to solder it. But I forgot something. Take this piece here, hold it. Hold on. So now I put this one here, they call it heat shrink tube. I don't want to put no electrical tapes there. So you go like this. So do not try to go different way. Just, Ahmed, don't move too much, please. Go like this, slowly. You see? Because it's gonna be like the same thing. Now this one, either you can cut it a little bit up or a little bit farther. But for me, I have no problem. I can just do it there. Let's see now. I'm gonna get the cutter. Where is the cutter? I have it here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you this also. So I'm gonna cut here. It's okay. And I will okay, and then I will cut the other one if it's here. Stop it, Ahmed. Okay, where is the piece?
What piece?
You know what I did here? Okay, please, no light, no darkness, please. Try to be. Don't move too much, Ahmed. The video. Okay, now, here, come here now. Our problem here, because if you have now, this one here is not recommended to do it under the car, especially the car with the gas. No, you don't need no flammable stuff, so use the other one. So I'm gonna do this one here, and I'm gonna open this one to heat it up. As soon as it heat it up, it become red, and then it's gonna be ready to solder. It's full. This is a mini one. You charge it from here. You see, that's where I don't want it. You see? So be careful with this one. If you don't know how to do it, or there is a gas here, you can be in trouble. Okay, so use the electrical one. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna use my 6040 rosin core solder. It's almost there. I'm gonna run it into it. So come. Okay. Yes. You see now? I prefer this. Hold this for me now. Hold it. I'm gonna move this a little bit further to give me space for the other one. I'm gonna do the other one. Give me. Okay. Yes. It's running good. This one, I don't need this one anymore. So now let me see. Now I'm gonna do this. Look here. Move this one slowly. And let it cover anything you want. And this one, let's cover it. We are covering it, and I'm sure that this one is in the bottom, and green with red in the top. Brand new connector. Now I'm gonna use this one. Push it here, and slowly just shrink it. Good. I have no problem to worry about it now. You're gonna stop it. I'm gonna put those back. Okay. I don't recommend you to use this one, honestly, because I've seen a lot of trouble with it. Even if you push it hard, you squeeze it good, it works sometimes. If this is a shrink one, it's okay, but if it's not a shrinkable, I don't know what I'm gonna tell you. If you can do it that way, it's okay. Let me put those stuff back. I'm coming, pause it. Don't want anything happen. This one I need to clean it good. We're gonna cut Isha from here. One second. Let's go. Okay, let me open the battery terminal. I don't know. Always leave your battery terminal out. Now, let me go.
Oh, the other one die? Hold on.
Oh, that one die? Okay.
Yeah, I think it does.
Okay, this one die, right?
But hold on.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have this one like this. Okay, hold on. The first thing is to put this one, take this one out. And this, when you put it, it must be like this angle, you see here?
Yeah.
If it doesn't go inside, it's no good. If it's not there, it's okay. Maybe that's it. Okay. This one and this here is gonna come here, but we have to tighten. And
You got it? This is.
hold on.
This phone is about
This
to die.
one good. Yeah. I need to tie this, and also we're gonna put. We have to tie this piece, and then this I have to put it here now. From now, you see. Push this one back. Be sure you put it in correctly. Push this out. If you don't push it out, it will not work. Push it out, then put it in.
No snap.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you see? And it's snap inside. Now, this is good. I like this. The only thing left, I have to tie this correctly. So let me get the tool to tie this. Half inches or 13 millimeter. And then I tied it already for the visual. You tied it good. Okay, before you put everything in. Because you cannot tighten it from inside. Now you're gonna go slowly. You know, that thing can go any place. And try to put it together. You see how it's going? Oh. You see here? Don't be lazy. Hold this with your hand. No, I'm not sure. Let me see there. How many I have? Let me see. Okay, how many is this left? Hold on. One here. One here. I don't know where are they.
Here. One here. One here. And one here. See that?
Yeah, I know, but the only thing here.
You don't see that?
No, those I know. There's two, I know. But the tall one, the long one. Okay, let me see this one first. Can you see if there is anything there? Yeah, there is a. That's it. And then here. And then I have one here. which one, but this is supposed to be here. And this is supposed to be here. Okay, now you're gonna move them one by one or get the right tool to tighten it. This is the alternator.
That's it?
Okay. I'm gonna bring those tools. That's 1/2 inches. And now this may be let me get that way. Maybe 16, 17. Okay. Like this, snap on. It's the same way you take it out. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna that one. Did I tighten it already?
No.
I'm gonna tighten that one too. Let me see.
That's it.
Okay, now this one is done. Okay, let me put all this back.
Wait,
The way
finish
I'm
now?
dead. No, we have to do one
No
thing.
finish?
Now we have to finish this way.
Yeah.
Okay, you see this?
Okay.
Go back a little bit. Go. I show you.
Oh
Is this?
my god.
This is one here.
Yeah.
You have to come here.
So now what?
You have to use a special tool. I'm gonna show you what.
Is that a long process?
No. Just pause it. Okay. You see this? This is a tensioner. Okay, now let me put everything back correctly so you don't need to jump. Look here, you don't need everything jump. That's the alternator, that's the pulley. And now you see here, it cannot go. So what you need to do, you see my hand, right side hand? You're gonna move this, pull it up. Okay.
That's it?
Hold on, not yet, you have to go. Yes, you see here?
Yeah.
No, you have to align it. Go back at the picture. You see now? Make sure everything is in the spot. Because if you don't do that, and you have to test it. You see here, it's not in. You see my son? You have to be sure everything in. That's not good too. Because what happens is, I'm gonna see if you have to make a space so this one can go down.
That was
Everything good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let me see that we don't have nothing.
Okay,
there
can you
left.
start it?
Yeah, we're gonna start, but I have to put the battery back.
Terminal?
Here, look here. This is the piece we change it because it's not clipping good. Okay, those from the older ones. Okay, hold on, let me get the tape.
This.
Hold on. Because while you're doing this one, you can go one step further. Okay. This ground also be sure is good. Everything is good.
No, start it.
Hold on. Okay, 1 second. All right, let me see now. Down. I'm gonna bring the tester now. Let's see. So you see, this is a voltmeter, and the voltmeter are just gonna start in 2 points. You see this up and down, up and down, up and down. A Xeon light, I mean a Xeon line, Z line. This one here is AC voltage. This one here with the dot on and off, straight on and off. This is what they call like what they call it, DC. This AC volt, this is a DC volt. So you have the common connector here. This one is DC. DC is always have a dot. The one up and down waves is AC voltage. So I'm gonna put this terminal, one of them to the negative of the battery and one of them the positive there, and the charging system is supposed to be at least 14, between 12 and 15. Okay, let me see. Okay, look here. I have 14.21, which is very good. Perfect. The car is charging nice. Our computer is there. Look there. That's the one that's commanding the charging system. Let me now see. Put here. I want to see what I have in this place. Hold it here. We have, this is, they call it like voltage modulator. You see, it's go between 10 and 12. It's go up and down based on charging. So you go 8 point something volt, it can go up to 12, it can go up to 7, 6. When the battery is charged, it go down. This actually is like voltage modulator on and off. And the blue one here, you see 13 volt. The blue one, look there. The blue wire there, supposed to be 13 if everything good. Battery voltage. The other one is modulated. This one is modulated. It go from 0.8, it go to 10, 11, 12, and go back. 12 volts, go back. This is computer go up and down to raise the charging system. If it go down, you know, like it go to 9, it go to 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, based on the request of the charging system. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnosis. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. Muhammad Harun Idris.